HTML links are clickable pointers that connect to web resources, which makes them vital components of the web. Following the Odin Project's Links and Images lesson, I've created a new directory named Odin Links and Images with an index.html file. The first thing I need to use to create a link is the anchor element, so I wrap the text click me between 8 tags. However, this alone won't make the link clickable. By opening a tag, I have to add an href attribute, also known as hypertext reference, that will give my link a destination to go to. To open my link in a new tab, I included the target attribute with the value _blank. For security and best practice, always pair the target attribute with the value blank with the rel attribute with the value no_opener to prevent the opening from accessing a referring webpage, and no referrer to hide the reference details. Links can be absolute, pointing to external sites, or relative within our site. To illustrate, I created a new file named about.html in my directory. Then in my index page, I inserted an anchor element with a relative link to my about page. This comparison shows that absolute links contain full URLs, while relative links use file paths relative to the current page. So, if I create another directory inside my links and images one and move my about.html file there, I will break my relative link because the file is no longer at that destination. I can fix it by adding the correct path to the new location of my about page, which is pages/about.html. Or alternatively, I can add a / before pages to specify that the new directory is relative to the current directory. If I want to create a link in my about page to my home page, I'll have to go up one level out of the pages directory and into its parent directory to access the index.html page. To go to the parent directory, I need to add // in the relative path before index.html.